Hi, my name is Deepak, and today we are going to start the CCNA routing and switching lab. This is my video one, lab video one. Today we are talking about CCNA switching lab, and I hope this is the 30 series video lab. So there is a total about 30 videos for the lab, CCNA lab, and you can download the lab also, uh, where I am giving the download link downside my video in the video description. So it's easy to perform a lab at your home. Please make sure that this is the Cisco packet tracer, and this is my lab 1 CCNA switching lab 1 is there. What it means lab I will be explain you better. This is my router, which is connected to any ISP. For the ISP testing purpose I created a one loopback as 2.2.2.2.0. You know that what is the loopback interface. I'm not going to discuss about the loopback interface. If you don't know, please go through the Google and search about the Cisco loopback address. And you can say this is the gig 1 port is connected to the layer 3 switch, is the 356024 port switch, and here is configured is the IP address. IP range between R1 to core switch is 192.168.16.0.24, and core switch is connected to 2960 switch. Here the two link is connected, both are the, and switch is connected with two system. Here you can see that we are using the two VLAN. One is the VLAN 5, another is the VLAN 50. So what is the task is there for that? The task is the ping 2.2.2 from PC1 and PC2. Means this loopback address is we are considering as a WAN address should be reachable from both of the PC, and ping PC1 to PC2. We remember that this is not only a switching class, we also be considering some routing protocol basics also in that classes. We are getting the experience on that. So what we do, we will start the configuration is done, primary configuration is done. I will show you the every configuration how was done. This is the lab exam, so it's primary done. We need to troubleshoot that. Okay, first I'm going to the PC1 and we'll start a troubleshooting. We will check the IP configuration. You can see there the no IP configuration. Configuration is already mentioned in the lab. Which IP we need to give is 10.10.10.50, and subnet mask is 24, then 2555.255.0, and what the gateway I need to give is 254. DNS server is not mentioned, so leave the DNS server. That VLAN is mentioned in that. It's indicate that the system is in the VLAN 50. So first of that I'm trying to ping gateway, because if gateway is reachable then all other thing should be reachable. So just wait for the few seconds and we will check what is going on there. You can see we are getting the RTO 0 cache timeout. It means something is broken here. Where is the broken? We can, if you are trying to test that, it will be not possible because this is a trace route, that it's not be possible because this is our gateway IP. If packet is not reaching to the gateway, it will not deliver to the anywhere, or it will not to be route to the anywhere. So maybe because we checked that interface is up and IP is configured correctly as given the lab. So we need to check the switch side configuration. I'm going to the 6 switch CLI. You see that we are getting a lot of syslog is there. One is that CDP. This is the CDP message. I will show you is minimize over. This is the CDP message, native VLAN mismatch on port number 24 and 23, and you should be check that where is this is the VLAN number, this is the VLAN 50 and this is the VLAN 5. So where is the port number fast Ethernet 23 and 24? Yeah, this is the 2324 which is connected to the core switch. Okay, no problem. Now we are going to check the running configuration. I will show to you how it is configured, which protocol is running and how it is configured. You can see the configuration is like this. Nothing is configuration. Spanning tree port fast VLAN is configured. Okay, nothing is other configuration in that configuration switch. I am going to check the VLAN because we are getting the VLAN mismatch. This is the VLAN configuration. 1 minute, I am doing something big so you can understand very easily. Yeah, you can see that 24 and 23 and 24 VLAN is configured 5, and the fast Ethernet VLAN is configured 2, fast Ethernet 1, and fast Ethernet 10 is configured to 500. Where is 5? This is the 10, this is the 1. There the different VLAN is configured, but our system is VLAN 5 and VLAN 50. Okay, no problem. We are going to check the core switch side. First of that we will make, pardon for that. So first of all we will configure the correct VLAN on the fast Ethernet 1 and 10 port. So config T interface fast Ethernet, which is that fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, this is the SS port because this laptop is directly connected to this, and we need to assign the VLAN 5, that switch port SS VLAN 5. Okay, and another port is 10. Okay, so I'm going to configure the fast Ethernet port number 10 and VLAN number 50. So I'm going the switch port SS VLAN 50. I will show you the VLAN configuration again. This is the VLAN configuration. Now we configured the correctly. On the 3 port we configured VLAN 5 and 1 is in the VLAN 50. So let me check from here. This port is down till bit. Yeah, it's up again. Can I ping right now? Just wait for a few seconds. After the first RTO we will get the correct information. No, port is not up yet. Okay, can I check this leave that. We will again, we are getting the same error because we didn't resolve that. We don't know where is the on which interface which VLAN is configured, because if you check the running configuration, then both are the SS port, not a trunk port. Okay, so we need to check the one by one that which VLAN is configured where. Okay, how you can check that? You need to log in core switch. In the core switch, this is the CLI. In the core switch we are getting the same error message, port number 23 and 24. The command is VLAN. Here you can see On the port number 24 is configured 5, and port number 23 is configured 50. So keep in mind the same VLAN should be matched here and another site. VLAN 24, VLAN 5. Again I'm going to show the show VLAN. You can see VLAN 5 is configured on 23 and 24. Okay, and VLAN 24 is configured with 5, so VLAN 24 is correct. VLAN 23 we need to configure. Config 3 interface fast Ethernet 23, because our link is going this through. We need to match with core switch, because this is the core switch and this is the uplink for this switch. So a native VLAN which should be matched at both locations, otherwise you will get the same error which you are getting, the CDP error message. So we are trying to, the command is to change the native VLAN on SS port is switch port SS VLAN 50. Sorry, it's 50. Okay, now we can check is there any VLAN configuration. We will check and we will match with another switch. You can see. Okay, now when this port is down, you can see this orange color. Yeah, it's due to this STP protocol. Can I ping right now? Yeah, I'm reachable to my gateway. Where is the gateway configured? We will check there everything. Okay, now can I ping to the ping 2.2.2.2? Yeah, I'm getting the 2.2 also, means this is the correct. Can I check the PC2? Excuse me, PC2, what is the gateway for the PC2? Is 10.10.10. It's something wrong mentioned in there. It's like this and this is like this. I'm sorry, pardon for that. I will be resolve the issue in my lab manual. This is the core switch. I want to ping this, so it is 1.254 my gateway. Yeah, I can reach to the gateway. And can I ping 2.2.2.2? Yeah, I can ping to the gateway. Can I ping my another system? Because if we will check the lab troubleshoot the task list, the PC1 PC2, we need to ping to PC1 to PC2, means this to this. So I'm going to ping from PC2 to PC1. The PC1 IP is 10.50. Yeah, I can reachable. Excuse me, it was the correct. Okay, I can reach from here. Can I reach from the PC1 to PC2? So I need to ping again the PC1 to PC2. It's 150. Yeah, I can raise to the PC1 PC2. How that lab was configured, I will show you something. I will configure now. I'm going the R1 because it's a basic theory is there. Show running. You can see I configured one loopback interface. The IP is given as 222. One interface is configured 16.1, means this is 0/0, which is connected to the core switch, And second, for the routing protocol I was configured the EIGRP. Okay, so routing protocol between R1 to core switch is EIGRP, and the both interface is configured on the router. Now we will check on the core switch. So running configuration, if we will check that, you can see we configured the two VLAN 5 and VLAN 50, and we configured EIGRP, and I redistribute to connected port because I don't want to configure the EIGRP on my switch 0, so that's why. And I configured the EIGRP. You can see the network I have mentioned here. No auto summary is configured with the EIGRP. Okay, so how is it? One minute, you seen that we are getting some error here again. The port number 23 and 24. What is the issue with the CDP? So VLAN 23 and 24, 4 is configured 5 and 23 is configured 50. Okay, and what is the configured here? So 24 is configured core switch. We will mess with them. 5 is configured on 24. Yeah, 50 is configured on that. Yeah, it's changed. Then why it is showing? It is showing that 20 and 23 is 50, and here we can see is 23 is 50, and here I can see the 50. Both are configured. Okay, this is the CDP. This sometime it will happen in the packet tracer. So clear CDP table. Okay, then now we can see, you know, the CDP protocol about that. It will take the time because now it's clear, so it will wait for the expiry time that that's packet. Now we can see the second method to check the forehand all device information with the CDP protocol. I'm telling you, I will make another video for the CDP details, but we can check that right now. According to this, we configured everything here. Now you can see there is no log for the CDP because of the CDP protocol updation issue was there. So we clear the CDP and update that again. After that there is no logs for the CDP, and you can understand easily that this is the router 1. You can suppose this is connected to the ISP, and the router 1 to core switch I configured the EIGRP, and core switch to the switch 1 is configured 2 link. The per link is per link. Sorry, there is a 2 link. One link is connected fast Ethernet 24 to fast Ethernet 24. This is for VLAN 5, and another port is VLAN for the VLAN 50, and one system is VLAN 5, one system VLAN 5. This is the very easy and short term. We can use only one connection between of them, or we can use 2 connections. We can make a Ethernet also. We will learn more about in next video, and the next video we will learn about lab 2, the CCNP lab 2, that is on the based on the VTP protocol. So maybe in the next video. the VLAN for the lab 1. It's enough, and you can download this lab 1 and from that video description link. And thank you so much. If you like my video, please click on the like, subscribe my channel. And this is the CCNP routing and switching lab 1, and thank you so much.